Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you can't sign up for DeepSeek chat. So as you might know, there are two ways to sign up for DeepSeek chat. The first one is to use your phone number or email address, and this is the option that is currently not working. So what you have to do is not use this option, because in this case, what you have to do is click on sign up here. So of course, go to chat deepseek.com, and if you click on sign up, as you can see, first I only can add my email address. You might be able to add your phone number as well. You can add your email address here and click on send code, but you won't get a code from DeepSeek chat. This might be because they're experiencing high demand because of the recent events. However, this is not the only way to sign up for DeepSeek chat. So if this method doesn't work, what you have to do is really simple. As you can see, you can log in with Google, and if you want to sign up with your Google account for DeepSeek chat, you can do that. All you have to do is click on login with Google. If you haven't signed up with your Google account yet, you have to select login with Google. Then select your account you want to use for DeepSeek chat, and this should sign up you for DeepSeek chat without the need for a code from DeepSeek chat. So this is how you can fix it if you cannot sign up for DeepSeek chat, or if you can create a DeepSeek chat account. This Google sign up method worked for me perfectly, so I hope it works for you. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.